Okay, so I'm so excited that I got into the Poshmark sell for others closets. But what I realize is that I need to keep my closet separate from those who I'm selling for. So today I am going to set up my VIPEK new closet organizer so that I can make sure that all the things that I get from other people's closets are nice and neat and organized on this really nice rack, which I am going to put together. To finish all on my own, 15 minutes, not bad, not having a second person, and it being this phenomenal in terms of size and quality. The way that it's put together with these snap-in pieces make it super easy to follow, as well as having the casters on the bottom, being able to move it back in and out of this room or another room is fantastic. For me to have the place to be able to store shipping supplies, to be able to keep my inventory, whether or not it's hats with these little hooks on the back. Let me pull this back so you guys can see that. There, you see the little hats over here. Got hooks on this other side to be able to carry bags, to be able to have a full rack of clothing so I can divide it by person and top and bottom. The storage is endless. This provides me an amazing amount of utility in a very small amount of space for a really good price. I could not be happier.